Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to find your Ethereum wallet address on Bitget application. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. The first thing you need to do is to open your Bitget application. After logging in, at the bottom right corner, click on the Assets tab. Now click on the Deposit button. Now again click on the Deposit Crypto button. From the list of currencies, search for Ethereum. Tap on it and here select the current network Ethereum and make sure both sides using the same network like Ethereum ERC20. After selecting the network, preferably ERC20, you will see your Ethereum wallet address and a QR code. Click on copy to copy the address or use the QR code if you are transferring Ethereum from a mobile wallet. And that's it, you have successfully found your Ethereum wallet address on Bitget application. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.